everyone, thanks so much for stopping by today to the Peppered Peach because we're going to be trying out the monkey bread from volume number 2 of Magnolia Cookbook. So I've made this before a couple times all by myself without you seeing it. It's really, really tasty. The last time I made this, I messed up the caramel sauce, which was a fail on my part, but we're going to get it right this time for you all. So let's do this. We have everything here. Let's go. All right, so our first step to making our monkey bread is combining our yeast and some sugar with some warm water. So I'm gonna go ahead, I've already combined the yeast and the sugar in here. I'm gonna top this off with our yeast. I'm gonna give it a quick stir, and we're gonna let this foam up for about 5 minutes. So I'm gonna push this off to the side. In the meantime, I have another small bowl here, and we are going to combine warmed milk with some melted butter and 1/4 of sugar. Okay, let's whisk this together. Okay, we'll put this off to the side because now, while that's still foaming up, we're gonna head over to our stand mixer and combine our flour, using the dough hook, of course, since we're making some dough, with some kosher salt. And we're just gonna mix this real fast. And then once the yeast is ready, so we need a couple more minutes on the yeast, we'll add that to our flour. But we'll mix this for now to get that salt incorporated into the flour. And now we wait for this to foam up. So it's already starting to foam, but we do have a couple more minutes to go. So foam away, see you in 2 minutes. All right, y'all, our yeast has yeasted. So let's get this into our mixer. So I'm gonna start this on slow, and then, actually I say that, but I'd rather just dump it in. So we're gonna dump it in. Yeast is in. And our butter and milk mixture. So we'll add that in. We're gonna mix this up. It'll become doughy and sticky. And I already have a large bowl ready to go, which is sprayed with some nonstick spray. And we're gonna dump it in here and let this sit for about an hour to an hour and a half, but an hour should be fine. And once this is all mixed, I'll just throw it right in, and then we wait. But it's gonna be worth the wait.
My head for the blessings that come my way. There'll come a day, I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
All right, I'll do one more little mix around because make sure it's all combined.
I swear you ain't seen nothing yet.
All right, I think we are good to go. So I'm gonna take this off. It's sticky. Throw it in here. Plastic wrap this. And keep this room temp. Whoops. Oh, would help if I got that cut correctly. Okay, there we go. And see you in an hour. All right, y'all, our dough for the monkey bread is ready to go. So I have a lightly floured surface here. I'm gonna throw it on, and we are going to form this into a little disc. I got Bauer sitting right next to me. He's ready for me to drop some flour or something. And once we have this in a disc, we're gonna cut up some pieces and set that off to the side, and then we're gonna make our caramel sauce. And I want to be right there with the caramel sauce so I don't mess it up like I did on my own the last time. Alrighty. Okay. So I'm going to use, it's about an inch thick, wouldn't you say? Yes. Okay. I'm going to just cut this up into little pieces, an inch wide. Okay. And why we're doing this is because we're going to combine our sugar and cinnamon, and we're going to push these in there, get them all coated with the cinnamon sugar, and then we're going to put them in our bundt cake. Alrighty. All right, these are all ready. Now let's head over to the stove and get our caramel sauce going. So I have everything there. Excuse me, Bauer, please don't get up. And I'm gonna get this on low. I have this on, it's on low. I have the butter already in here. So we're gonna let this melt down, and then once that melted a little bit, I'll add in the brown sugar. We'll stir that up, have the sugar dissolve, and then we'll add in some vanilla extract. So melt away butter. I believe in you. Don't mess this up. This is so important. Talking to myself. That's my pep talk to myself. All right, let's wait. We're waiting for it to melt. All right, so our butter is just about melted. I'm gonna go ahead and add in our brown sugar. We're gonna stir this together. We're gonna wait for the sugar to dissolve. And then we'll add in our vanilla extract. I just keep hearing in myself, don't mess this up, don't mess this up. Sugar is not yet dissolved. I'm watching this like a hawk. Cannot mess this up. Okay, so the sugar is just about dissolved. So I am going to add in our vanilla extract. Give that a little stir. I think we're good. Okay, now I'm going to set this aside. I think I did a good job with this time. And let's head back over to our dough, where we are going to put together in a Ziploc bag, we're going to put together our sugar and our cinnamon. And we're going to mix it up. Sugar. This is cinnamon. Okay. And we'll just mix this around first. Okay, now I have this plate here. We're not going to put it in here yet because we do put some of that caramel sauce at the bottom of that bundt cake pan. So I have this plate here, and I'm going to put some of these in here, maybe like 4 to 5 pieces. I'm going to mix it, get it all coated. And put it over here. And we'll repeat with the rest until we're done.
nothing yet. This life is heavy with an overload. Like every door I see is shut. But when we're sinking to our deepest lows, we've got nowhere to go but up. That's when you say,
Alrighty. All right, y'all. We are done. We are gonna put this to the side really fast because we are gonna drizzle half of our caramel sauce on the bottom. So I sprayed this already with some nonstick spray, and I'm just gonna put half of our sauce at the bottom. All right, now we're gonna take our dough and we're just gonna place these around. Okay, now with the rest of the sauce, we're gonna dump this right on the top of the rest of it. Or dump the rest of the caramel sauce on top. Caramel, whatever. Let me get this spoon so I can get all the caramel sauce in there. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab some cling wrap, put it on top, and then we'll let this sit for 45 minutes. This will double in size. And then after those 45 minutes, we throw that in the oven and then we can taste it. So, see you in 45. All right, y'all, it is time to try our monkey bread. So let's go for it. Bread, perfect. Sugar, amazing. Cinnamon, perfect. Butter, everything together makes this delicious monkey bread, and I'm obsessed with it. It is so good. It is so easy to make. I hope you think so too, because it's definitely something that you can get ready for your friends or guests to come over and check out, because this is so tasty. I'm obsessed. So thank you so much for coming by and watching me make this monkey bread. I appreciate you all, and I'll catch you next time. Have a good day. Okay. I'm ready. Where'd you go? Okay, thank you. No, it's okay. As soon as I turned, I was like, shoot. I just kept going. I was like, we could do it again.
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, but I. See.
You want a little bite now?